Once again, welcome back to my channel, Pejong TV. Today, we will talk about layers. Current layer, C layer. We will make our layer to be our current layer. For example, you have a lot of layer inside your drawings. Let's say 10, hundreds of layer. You are working for the architectural or mechanical or electrical. We will make our layer to be shown as a current layer here. Now we have zero layer and diff point layer. Okay, we will go to the subject. For example, let's say we will make a view of layer text, door, window, wall, EE for electrical emergency. If you are working for electrical, right? EN for electrical normal, furniture, one, let's say one. This is for example layer. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We will change the color of our layer. Text will be red. Door will be green. Window, cyan, number 4. Wall, let's say number 8, gray. EE for electrical emergency. Mostly electrical emergency use this color, magenta. For me, I'm an electrical draftsman. I am always use this color for emergency, electrical emergency, magenta. Okay. EN, electrical normal. I always choose this cyan, number 4. Furniture, let's say number 54 or yeah, okay. 42, number 1, say red. Number 2, yellow. Number 3, green. Number 4, cyan. And number 5, blue. Okay. Now we all set. This is only for example, right? For example, you are working for architectural layer, mechanical layer, electrical layer, plumbing, piping, or for the section architectural. So hard to see what the exactly current layer what you want. Now we are all set. Our current layer now is zero layer. I want to EE as a current layer. For example, this is a 100 layer. It's so hard to, where is my electrical emergency layer? It's so hard to see it. Where? I cannot find. Okay. Just command C layer. Enter EE as you make before in the layer properties. Right? EE and then enter. Did you see it? It will be automatically our current layer now. We will make this line. Enter. This is our current layer. color by layer, layer EE. This is our current layer now. How about I will change my current layer. I don't need this EE as a current layer because I want to jump in another layer. You don't need to come here or search where is the EN as a electrical normal layer. Where? Okay. Come back again. C layer for current layer command. Press enter. EN. Type EN as a electrical normal. Press enter again. Oh wow. I jump already in my current layer EN. We will check it. Line. Enter. Did you see it? Our current layer is EN now. You don't need to come to the layer properties, double click. I need to be current layers text. Double click text, automatically go to here text, or come here, go to wall, automatically here wall, or window, click double click here, it be shown also here window. Now I want to jump again in another layer. For example, your work is finished for the electrical normal, finished. Electrical emergency and normal, finish. I want to put text layer now. Okay. What text this? TEXT, right? Remember all the layer you make. Command C layer. Press enter. Text. TEXT. Enter. Oh, there is my current layer now. Text. Sample. Line. Okay. Okay. I can make a text now for my current. Color by layer. Text. Line type by layer. And so on and so forth. You need to go to door. For example, finish. You're already finished. I need the door here. I need to put the door here. I need to be current layer door. Okay, C layer. Enter. Door. Enter. Oh yeah, this is my current layer now. I can draw the door now. Right? Yes, like that. Come here. Here. This is only for example. No need to start, center, and okay. I have a door now. Next, come back again. You finish everything. Oh, furniture. Oh, where is my furniture layer? Where is my furniture layer? Oh, I no need to come here to furniture. Where is the furniture? Oh, it's a furniture. Okay. C layer. Enter. Furniture. Or for, like that. Oh, this is my current layer now. Automatically, furniture. I can draw the bed. Something like this. Rectangle. Like that. Here and one more here. Just line here. Just line here. What else? Wall. Okay. I no need to come here to search where is the wall. Where is the wall? C layer again. Enter. Wall. Enter. Automatically you have the current layer wall. Draw. Wall. Offset. I have a wall now. Oh, like that. Right? What else? Window. C layer again. enter window, enter. Oh yeah, I have a current layer window now. Check it. Line, color by layer window. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.